Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you all the aspects of the Delice application from the moment when you start it and to the moment when you use it. When you first start the application, you will see this welcome window. The idea is that the Delice stores all the images in the separate directory. What you need to do is decide where all the images that you will add to the application, where they will go. So you do it by set the location. I already decided that my images will go to the directory delice.db and I hit OK. Once you set the location, you will need to restart the application in order to the changes to take an effect. Let's do that. Alright, once you start the application, you will see the main window. So the first thing that you will want to do is to add the images. There are two ways to add the images to the application. You do that by using menu image. You can either add the images from the directory or just from the clipboard. I'll start by adding images from the directory. Okay, in order to add the images, you will need to select all the directories or files that you want to have selected and press select. Once you do that, the application will go through all of these images and create a database entries for these records. Then you can just press search and all the images that you added to the database will be displayed on this area. Another way to add the images is just to add them from clipboard, which can be useful if you find the images on the internet or in other places, or maybe even directly from the editor. So I have prepared the image here, so you can just press the copy image, go to the Delice application, go to the image and add from clipboard. This will add the image to the application as well. We will need to search the image and here it is. Okay, once we have the images added to the application, we can go and add the tags to these images. The way it works that we press the right mouse on the little thumbnail of the image and choose tagging. This will open up the window where we can assign a tags to the image. Let's say we add the horse. And you see, once you add the tags, it will appear on this little list. Okay, then we can go and tag another image, and in this case we will see that we have an entire image, but let's say we are interested only in the area that is actually about the horse. For this case, we can actually just drag around the area we interested and create a bounding box, which we call a region of interest, and select it and then add the tag right to the region. Then we can go and maybe add another one. Once we have tags associated with images, we will see that on the left area, all those tags that we added to the images, they will be displayed on this area. Now, when we have the images, we can actually search for them. And we can do this either by choosing the tag on this list or just typing a search. Let's try a horse. When we search for a particular tag, all the images will be displayed after search in this area. Now After the search, we're actually able to create a little mood board with these images by clicking on the board button. Alright, so you see all these images displayed, and you should notice that on these two images we actually created small regions. So we have an original image stored on the database, but when we create the mood board, we actually have only region that we are interested in just to work on our project. If you don't want to see these images here, like cropped regions, you can actually tick off this individual row checkbox and regenerate the image, and you will see that the mood board will have the original images displayed. Another thing that you will probably be interested in is that, let's say you are a student and your current topics is horses, and you want to practice drawing horses like in a daily drill. You can do that by also searching for images with a specific tag and click a practice button. In this mode, you can actually select a time which you want to spend on single image, and you can start practice mode. What we'll do, it will actually display the images one by one for a specific amount of time. When the time is up, the next image will be displayed. We'll skip through it and see how it works. Now you can see that after 30 seconds passed, we just moved to the second image. You can also press the next image if you just want to skip the current one.